Oh my god, this is a win. And then I'm done. It's coming along. But for now, we will just do it on a hope and a prayer. Hi friends. I have literally 2 days before the fashion show. A lot has happened since I last filmed. My sewing machines, I have 2. They were both giving me trouble, and so I couldn't be sewing for the past week. But today has started off with a good note. My black thread is working, so I'm going to finish my honeycomb jacket that I started in my first vlog. Fingers crossed that I can finish it for the fashion show. I started 2 jackets, but I don't think I'm gonna get the pink one done. So we're just gonna run with the honeycomb and see what happens. Where we left off, I had made the arm skinny rectangles instead of a proper arm pattern. So now I have to add about 2 more inches of fabric down the middle to make it wider at the armpit so that it is big enough. So this is what I was talking about, to give it a little bit more room. I think I actually like it more than just the original sleeve because it gives a nice little detail down the arm that matches the front of the jacket. So this is definitely longer than the arm, but that gives me some room to play. Now I'm just gonna top stitch the lines and then get to cutting the arm pattern. If you don't know what a top stitch is, it's just doing a single stitch over the seam, as you can see right here. It just cleans it up really nicely, plus it gives it stability.
Just add weights to your people's arms. You have to do a workout as you trust in it or what?
It's getting easy today.
It's easy today?
Flowing.
It's working?
Yeah.
Your machine's not broken?
I don't know, it's...
Did you
so
see
fun.
I sent you another one of those machines? Alright, I'm gonna play drums.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have fun.
Thanks, you too.
I'm gonna play drums and then go pick up Graham. So,
Okay.
see you in a bit.
Okay. So I've finished top stitching everything. It was a lot, but what I have left is to finish the hood, add it on, sew down the sleeves and the sides, finish the front, hem the bottom, and decide on if I want a closure or not. And then I'm done. It's coming along. I'm actually pretty stoked that it made it this far. I'm gonna have it for the fashion show, which makes me really excited because it was looking bleak for a while, but the universe always surprises you. I'm gonna sew down the sides first to make it feel like a coat and finish the sleeves. That's right. Yeah. Oh. I'm so excited. it's another day. I took a little break. Sewing machine seems to be working out. So I figured I would finish my lace cape that I still have to do. What I'm doing currently is figuring out how to attach these ribbons onto the cape. Both of them are a bit fragile, so I really want to have a reinforcement. And I remembered that I have bias tape. So I've cut out my little bias tape and I run it through. And then fold it. Done. My idea worked. I am excited. I feel like a little fairy. Extra long ribbons. Oh my god, this is a win. Ooh, I'm so excited to have this one in the fashion show. There is a way that I love to wear it as cross-bodied, because it kind of feels like armor. So you can wear like that. Oh. Ooh, I might have to do a style video with this cape. I'm really happy that this one turned out and that my sewing machine was working. It was kind of making some weird noises towards the end, but I'm gonna test my luck and finish the jacket. I just have to cuff the sleeves. I already sewed the arms. And I won't add a zipper, I'll just leave it open, but all I have to do is add a collar, and it's so close to being done, and I believe that I can do it. 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 Oh no, why? That was like immediate. How? Just have no clue why it's being so mean. They're on sleeve 2. They're going for done is better than perfect. Yes. Well, that was painful. I will probably regret sewing all these little lines when I have to unstitch them and redo them. I try not to think about that in this moment. What is important is that I am going to get it done for the fashion show, just so that I have another piece. Hiccups, it is done to a point of maybe being in the fashion show. I mean, it'll be a lot cooler when it has a zipper. I think the collar worked out good. Oh yeah, look what it does when it... I like how the top stays down and the back kind of stays up. Fits me great. I feel accomplished. Tomorrow is the fashion show, so feeling pretty proud of myself. I'll do a little run through maybe in the next video right before my fashion show. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching if you made it this far.